Afternoon. Quick explanation. These are the your older mature people will remember these Peugeot 405 306s. Some of the 106s had them. There's 2-button old style Peugeot keys. Actually quite hard to find these days. So basically what we're going to do is show you something, and we're going to put that on there like that. Undo that little screw. Get this out of the way. Excuse my clumsy fingers. Like that. Put the key that to one side. Right, you'll notice there's a little gap just here. Just here. Put your screwdriver and just give it a little lever. Right, let's do one side at a time. Let's put that to one side. Right, on this side you got the key, obviously. Obviously you got your blade here. This little thing here is your transponder. That's what communicates with the car to say, yes, it's the right key, turn the ignition on, let it start. Okay, so that's that side explained for you. Right, this side, we have got a little chipboard, and basically, as you can see there, you've got your battery there. On the other side, you've got two little micro switches, old styled ones, but micro switches still. So, I don't know if you can hear that, clicking away. And clicking away, lovely. So yeah, that seems to be all good. The battery is. Let's have a little look what the battery is. Awkward to get out of these little buggers. Right, what have we got there? A CR1620. Okay, quite small, fidgety little thing. So repeat every outcome out, straight back in, push it back in. It's got a lock there, look, it can't go any further than that. Okay, so then basically there's two little pins here on the side of the plastic key. Put the chipboard back on, and she will, if you can get it right, which will sit, there you go, like that, nicely into the key. And then all you've got to do, obviously making sure that this transponder here, which is this bit, this little chip here, turn her over, put that back on there, she'll clip. Okay, screw goes in the back. She's small and fidgety. Right. Make sure she's up nice and tight. There you go. There you go. So there you go. Taken to bits, put that together, all works fine. Hope that helps you. Bye.